Hi everybody, welcome to week 6 in module 6. Getting close to the end. Just be sure that you finish the assignments by the end of the session. If you need to go back and redo some that you missed, that's fine. I also sent out during the week the emails to connect you to the Protection of Minors training that's a requirement for all students at the Citadel. So this week, you're going to be focusing on empowering and holding others accountable. So your first assignment is focused on building high-performing teams, which is where the team is empowered to get the job done. So some suggestions about empowering others. Article about, or a website about an organization that empowers their people. So this is the discussion board. Share with the class what you discovered on this discussion board, and then respond to 2 other posts. Okay, your individual written assignment this week is asking you to reflect on the importance of psychological safety, which is a key concept in creating a workplace, where people feel empowered. So have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you did not get the Protection of Minors email, or if you have completed it already, or some training that you want me to check to see if it would count for that requirement. Thanks.